We're used to trusting the ground beneath our feet, but what do you do when it suddenly gives way? In this video, the raw power of nature you can't outrun or hide from, because it doesn't send warnings, it strikes without mercy. A scale that's hard to comprehend. Millions of tons of rock thunder into the gorge, revealing the true balance of power between human machinery and nature. A single movement triggers the collapse of a massive snow slab.
Shim! Get! Ôi trời ơi! Shim, get! Shim! Ôi trời ơi! Shim! Shim!
Indonesia, the ground literally splits open, swallowing a huge section of highway. Drivers watch in horror as the asphalt ahead crumples and falls into the abyss. An entire cape, hundreds of meters wide, breaks away from the mainland. A massive retaining wall simply can't withstand the pressure of the soil and collapses inward into the pit. Peru. Massive boulders turn a mountain road into a shooting gallery with multi-ton trucks as the targets. A true snow tsunami in the mountains. A vast mass of snow accelerates down the slope, wiping out the horizon behind a dense white veil. The descent turns into a straight-up race for survival. An avalanche breaks loose, practically snapping at the skiers' heels. Inner Mongolia, China. A colossal landslide engulfs the floor of a quarry, burying trucks and excavators beneath an 80-meter layer of rock. The ground disappears from beneath the wheels in the heart of a megapolis. A massive sinkhole rips the street in half.
Phải đập nè. Ui. Hả? ถนนสุดเลยเนี่ยเยอะเลยเสาไฟฟ้าไฟดับแน่เหมือนจะตายเลยถนนสุดแล้วโอ้ยตายแล้วต่อหน้าต่อตาเลยโอ้หายเดี๋ยว นะไม่เอาเหรอ
เสาไฟเสาเลยเสาไฟ
โอ้ยไปหมดเลยไปหมดเลยเฮ้ยรถเฮ้ยรถถอยดิโอ้ยเดี๋ยวจะตายเลย
เฮ้ย
เฮ้ยไปหมดเลย
Car's owner can only watch as his vehicle teeters on the brink of falling.
ตำรวจน่ะโอ้ยเนี่ยรถข้ามมาต้องกลับตรงนี้ต้องห้ามเข้าแล้วเนี่ย
โอ้ยตายแล้ว
ว่าแล้ว
A monstrous landslide tears through a residential neighborhood, swallowing infrastructure at a terrifying speed. Turkey, Kachkar Mountains. A brown mass plunges from above like a waterfall, instantly filling the narrow gorge with a dense layer of earth. A massive landslide plunges into a quarry lake, and the reaction is immediate.
T-shirt. Вот это самый страшный, походу. Смотрите, это жестоко просто. Это просто жестоко. В натуре. Ёбкани, сейчас мост вынесет. Все, там запора нету. Ни хрена себе. Астафирулlah.
ちょっとあれに送りましょうか。
3 shots, and the mountain comes alive. Specialists had planned a controlled release, but the outcome exceeded all expectations. The retaining wall slowly begins to slide downward, seeming moments away from total collapse. Yet, against all expectations, the structure ultimately holds. Taiwan, Hualien County. An earthquake destroys the supports, and a long ribbon of concrete falls into the riverbed amid clouds of dust and debris.
Şur Allah halik. Bu kappa hazır. Yok, ben de atırlar gerektiği ara. Ne zaman?
Sana götürürlük.
Avtobüs hayratla geliriz. Ne diyorsun? Ha? Dayan kan avtobüs var.
Sen nasıl oluyorsun? Dönüş kaç aydan
Allah ikini atıyor atırlar. Hadi alayla.
Не брали уходить? Чего?
Hep gidiyor. Olalım. Bak. Hep gidiyor.
Spinni. Mein Gott. Oh. Scheiße. Oh.
Wo bleibst du stehen? Geht's nicht, ne?
USA, 1980. Rare footage of a mountain literally tearing itself apart. A powerful earthquake rips away the entire northern slope of Mount St. Helens. This monstrous landslide acted as a trigger. The mountain uncorked, and the volcano erupted instantly, destroying all life within a radius of dozens of kilometers.
Now we got a big slide coming off. The slide is coming off of the west slope. Now we got a whole great big eruption out of the crater. And we got another that opened up on the west side, and the whole west side, northwest side is sliding down. Keep going, Jerry.
An extreme descent with no safety gear. A husky gets caught in a landslide and hurtles down at incredible speed, masterfully balancing on rocks all the way to the bottom of the mountain. a snow stability test. A colossal release of pressure. The floodgate is opened for the first time in years, and the force of the water blasts away mud that has built up over time. Uttarkashi, India. A mountainside transforms into a destructive torrent. A massive landslide surges downward, literally sweeping away a residential district.
Лавина. Во. Блин, какая лавина пошла. Вот она идет, идет. Это Эльбрус. Пушкой стрельнули. Идет лавина. На стоянку не пускают, поскольку лавина сойдет. Вот это да! Сейчас и до меня дойдет, похоже. Все ко мне подходит. Скоро я буду в пыли лавины. Все, я в лавине.
Texas, a chronicle of instant flooding. In just 37 minutes, this river rose by 6 meters, the height of a 2-story house. From a calm stream, it transformed into a monster carrying tons of trees and mud. The physics of the desert in action. A retrogressive landslide, a phenomenon in which the collapse front moves against the direction of the main flow. The driver manages to escape around the corner at the exact moment the mudslide crashes into the area. Hear that rumble? One precise shot and an instant reaction. A snow slab breaks free and turns into an epic avalanche of epic proportions.
Oh my god! What? Woohoo! That's insane! What?
A risky crossing in Oman. Drivers hoped to make it across, but ended up caught in a water trap.
راعي لفلون ابوي راعي لفلون اول سيارة نحمل يوصل هنا انا مصور فيديو
Tala kia भन्छ क्या यो त राम यो त आम्माम्माम्माम्मा यो गाउँमै झरा
धुवा हो धुवा
ठुलै आयो त यो त
The driver of a white minivan narrowly avoids being trapped beneath a monstrous mud flow. He manages to pull away just as a wall of mud and debris crashes onto the road.
Yo, look at, yes I did. Look at that. Oh, yes.
Моя машина — это та Юлька, на которую водичка вот прям сейчас херачит. Вот получается вот такая.
A stop at the edge of the world. In thick fog, the driver didn't see that a bridge span had collapsed. The truck braked at the last second, leaving the cab hanging over the abyss.
等消防來啦！咪先敲到，咪先敲啊！啊，咁有報㗎，咁都，那有個小車啊，那邊有兩個小車啊。
The mud flow is so dense it looks more like a moving wall of concrete than water.
Heather.
The driver stepped out to inspect the road and spotted trouble just in time. He returned to his car and reversed to a safe distance.